Hello everyone, at first you make cordial love and salam assalamualaikum. How are you? Hope you all are fine with the grace of Almighty Allah, and I'm also pretty good. As you know, this is my Shabir friend. I'm a learner of Arabic School Level 5E. So firstly, I give thanks to my honorable teacher who has given me this extra additional topic. So today my topic is about different speech sounds. So let's start. Number 1. Heat versus heat. Heat. For example, the heat made me so tired. Heat. For example, if you hit her, she will get hurt. Number 2. Beat versus beat. Beat. For example, the music had such a nice beat. Beat. She beat the carrot so hard. Number 3. Peach versus peach. For example, peach. For example, my favorite fruits are peach. They're so sweet. Peach. For example, the singers had so loud. They had a high pitch. Number 4. Lick versus lick. Lick. For example, she liked to lick her lollipop. Leak. For example, it is raining so hard, so the water leaked into my home. Number 5. Peak versus peak. Peak. For example, I took my friend in the garden, so now we can pick apples from the tree. Peak. For example, I saw the cat peek at me behind the table. Number 6. Later versus later. Later. For example, she wrote a letter to her mother. Later. Goodbye, see you later. Dessert versus dessert. Dessert. For example, my favorite dessert to eat is a strawberry cake. Dessert. The dessert is so hot, dry, and sandy place. So that's all my tips, everyone. Bye bye. See you next time. Bye bye.